الحمد لله كفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد. قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد: أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. ثم قال: وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين. Honorable ulamas, revered judges, and dear students, I am watching your performances for a long time. We have covered 2 sittings continuously, first Hindi and second English. Your performance, mashallah, is very satisfactory. Some students were so bold and fearless. I was surprised to see his performance that a child of 14 and 15 years can speak so boldly before his teachers. I thought he can be a good orator in future. Students, Jamiah is an ideal institute. There are so many madrasas and institutes where religious books such as theology, hadith, fiqh and Quran are taught. But English and Hindi is not taught there. The medium of education is only Urdu and Arabic, but here in Jamia, students are also taught English and Hindi. Hindi is our national language. It is our duty to learn this language, because if we don't learn this language, we can be defeated by our conservative friends. Do you follow me? Yes. In English, I was watching very curiously your performance. You were speaking fluently and expressing your views and ideas before the audience. Students, I am very happy to see your performance and hope you will be a good orator, good speaker in future. Students, the topic of your English speech was system of justice in Islam. It was a very beautiful topic. Anyone who is Muslim and has some knowledge of his religion can speak on this topic easily. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. We sent you to this world. We did not send you to this world, but making you mercy for all the world. Do you follow me? Every character, each character and every saying is enough for our guidance, is enough for the guidance of humanity. Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he was a very just person, exemplary person for the whole humanity. He once said, Fatima bint Muhammad भी अगर चोरी करे, अदल का दस्तूर है, हाथ काटा जाएगा. Do you follow me? He announced before his companions, if Fatima, the daughter of Muhammad, were to escape, it is the law of justice, her hands will be cut off. Do you follow it? It is quite clear. It is the spirit of Islam. There is no favor. There is no favor in justice. There is no favor in justice. Justice is equal for all humanity. Equal for all. Equality comes from justice. If in your society there is no justice, there will be a great chaos, there will be great violence, there will be controversy all everywhere. Do you follow me? So, Islam is the only religion on this earth that teaches justice and equality, and also honor and dignity for humanity. So many students express their views on justice and equality and honor and dignity for mankind. I was very happy to see their performances, and I pray to God, give him strength, power, intelligence to spread the teachings of Islam all over the world. With these words, I am going to finish my speech because the cold is very freezing, but I am also very glad to see your courage. In spite of freezing cold, you are sailing patiently on your sea, and it shows your response to your duty. Dear students, I will not take a long time because I have Salati Isha. Now we have to perform, and the Muazzin will be waiting for his turn. So I finish my speech with this prayer. Oh Allah, grant us strength, grant us power to spread the teachings of Islam everywhere, all over the world. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.